Hello everyone, today I will guide you on how to upgrade the graphics card for a small form factor (SFF) computer. Here, I have a Dell Optiplex 3060 running a Core i7 8700, and I will use NVIDIA Quadro P620 card. Please note that since this is a small form factor machine, only low-profile graphics cards can be used, and they must have power consumption levels suitable for the power supply. If you've previously used a different graphics card, and install its drivers. This helps avoid conflicts and ensures optimal performance for the new card. Make sure your computer is completely powered off and disconnected from the power source. Remove the power cable to ensure safety during installation. Open the computer case by removing the fixed screws. Be careful not to damage any components. On the motherboard, locate the appropriate PCI Express key slot for the graphics card. Usually, this slot is colored blue or black. Insert the graphics card into the key slot, ensuring it is properly seated, then secure it with the provided screws. After securely installing the graphics card, replace the protective cover. Connect the power cable from the power supply to the graphics card. Connect the data cable, VGA, HDMI, DisplayPort, or DVI, from the graphics card to your monitor. Power on your computer and check if the graphics card is functioning correctly. Install new drivers for the graphics card, if needed. Remember to double-check everything before restarting your computer to ensure you followed the correct installation steps. Good luck! After the installation is complete, and the system has successfully recognized the output from the graphics card, please download the latest NVIDIA software to update to the newest drivers, ensuring stable system performance. Thank you for watching the video.